There are several items lying on the table. The hand of the presenter lifts a white bowl. She puts it down. She touches the handle of the water container. She puts her hand on the pieces of crumpled paper. She picks up the fork and puts it down. She touches the strainer with her finger. There is material under it. On the table, a container with water, a bowl, pieces of paper. She grabs the paper. She unrolls it, tears it into pieces. She throws them into a bowl. In the bowl, she tears up all the pieces of paper. The presenter takes a container with water by the handle. She pours the contents into the bowl. She mixes the paper and water with her hand. She puts down the empty container. She mixes the softened paper. With her right hand, she grasps the fork in reverse. She shreds the paper. With her hands, she mixes water with the paper. She shreds the paper into smaller pieces with her fingers. Dips the strainer into the bowl. Acquires the softened paper. Tilting the strainer, she strains the wet paper. She shakes the strainer. She drains the excess water. She puts the strainer with the paper on the material on the right side. She covers the strainer with the remaining part of the material. She presses the paper to the bottom of the strainer with her fingers. Through the material, she checks the dry paper in the strainer with her hand. She uncovers it. She grabs the strainer, holds the recycled paper with her right hand. She tilts the strainer upside down, taps her fingers on the strainer. Paper comes away from the bottom of the strainer. She puts the strainer down. Holding the recycled paper, she shows it from both sides. On the beige background of the wall, the presenter shows a round recycled paper.